Hello everyone, welcome back to Indian Online School, a school for Olympiad champions platform. If you are a parent of a child who is preparing for Olympiad exams or a student who wants to start your journey for the Olympiad exams, the first certain question that you might be having, how should I start preparing for Olympiad exams? Which type of book should I follow? Should I follow the advanced book? Shall I start with the previous year papers? Or shall I study for the long hours? The truth is, the Olympiad exams is not about studying harder. It's all about strategically planning and studying accordingly. In today's video, I would be giving you a simple roadmap to prepare for any kind of Olympiad exams, and that would be really helpful. So let us get started for that. So begin with right mindset. Before opening the first page of any Olympiad book, just understand one thing. Olympiads are not the school exams. School exams checks whether a student remembers a concept, whereas Olympiad checks if those concepts can be applied for the unfamiliar questions or unfamiliar situations. So do not begin your preparation keeping in mind that I need to win the medal or the ranks. Instead, focus on logical reasoning, thinking capability, creativity, confidence, and problem-solving skills. Remember, beginning with the right mindset, following the right things will definitely give you the best results. Build strong concepts. A very common problem that we see, students rush to solve the advanced level question. Imagine it is trying to start running before we start learning how do we walk. It doesn't work. Strong foundation of concepts is the basis of Olympiad success. If a student understands the why behind the concepts, he or she can solve any unseen question, any unseen problem given to them. Strong foundation is the base of the Olympiad success. Again, Olympiad does not reward the memorization. It rewards the understanding of the concepts. Develop Olympiad thinking. This is what Olympiads are different. When a child asks, is my answer correct? Olympiad gives the ability, is there any other method that I can solve this? Encourage the student to explain their creativity, to explore the different methods, compare the different methods, look for the patterns and understand their mistakes. Once the student imbibe these qualities, they would be starting for the analytical thinking. And analytical thinking is the base for the Olympiad success. Practice with purpose. Practice is very important. Meaningful practice is even more important. Instead of solving thousands of random questions, align your strategy where emphasize on the solving the questions which has concept building, which are Olympiad level, which are from the previous year papers and few of the mock tests. Even more important would be try to inculcate a habit reviewing your mistakes. You know, Olympiad preparation gives you a platform where you learn from the questions that you have never seen before and try to understand where did I make a mistake. Stay consistent. Many a parent asks for how many hours my child should study for the Olympiad exam preparations. There is no one fit formula for all of them. Rather, consistency is the key for the betterment for the Olympiad exam preparation. A student who is preparing on a consistent and a design practice way on the regular basis is performing very well rather than a student who is spending hours of studying occasionally. Remember, Olympiad exam preparation is a journey. Small improvement every week would be leading to the tremendous results. Parents' role is very important. Instead of asking, how many marks did you get? Ask them, what is a new thing that you have learned today? Encourage their curiosity, celebrate their efforts, and allow them to make the mistakes. Trust me, parents' open environment gives them the confidence to flourish for their academic purpose. So let me summarize today's roadmap. Start with the right mindset, build strong concepts, develop Olympiad thinking, practice with the purpose, stay consistent, learn from your mistakes, and enjoy the journey. So the parents do not look if my child is able to get the medal this year, but trust me, the skills that they would be developing, that would be helping them the years coming in. So parents and students, if you find this video useful, please like, share and comment and subscribe our channel. Let me know in the comment box which Olympiad you are planning to prepare or you are preparing already. We would be coming up with more informative videos in coming days. Thank you for watching us.